Dogelon Mars at present exchanges close $0.00000025 Dogelon MARS Elon, records pretty commonly descending development today, which sort of basically is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, or so they super thought. Elon's sort of truly intraday volume truly remains at $1,078,656, which most certainly is very huge. 23 January 2024, in this video we will truly in every way that really matters, walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for pretty beautiful 1 week from now, and all things considered, fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, got clarification on some things, facts. What essentially explicitly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, certainly for the most part is Elon a by and large essentially wise interest, in a kind of exceptionally huge manner, which essentially is very critical. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, which basically really is very critical in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging commonly beautiful profound into the Elon specialized examination, certainly in a real sense, let us explicitly essentially discuss the for the most part sort of current economic situations in a very sort of enormous manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there basically by and large was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the reasonably by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,525,941,013,570, showing how 23 January 2024. In this video we will generally truly walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for pretty truly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, generally especially clarified pressing issues, facts, what truly is especially transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, explicitly truly is Elon an actually certainly wise speculation. Which basically is genuinely huge. The especially exceptionally complete exchanging volume generally explicitly remains at $72,835,133,742 in a sort of huge manner. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly in every practical sense is very critical. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3% in a kind of huge manner, which is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense by and large, has seen a value diminishing of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, decently genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Sold a truly lovely local coin of Solana most certainly in every practical sense, is somewhere around 4.89 and right now exchanging at $81.66, especially kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 3.77% in Esteem, or so they basically sort of thought in a truly significant manner. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market actually in a real sense is going in a descending course for commonly fundamentally momentary in an unobtrusive manner, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, a genuinely broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars execution the in every practical sense, genuinely day-to-day diagram of Dogelon Mars, generally in every practical sense, shows that the Elon cost truly has an especially descending development, with a 2.51% decline in lovely beyond 24 hours in a by and large really significant manner. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin actually especially is remaining at $0.00000025 with market capitalization, $136,963,872 United States dollars, which explicitly truly is very critical, which sort of is genuinely huge. Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every way that really matters is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars, which for the most part is very huge, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars generally sort of plays on entirely a few famous topics in the image coin space in a fundamentally genuinely huge manner. Its name sort of is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the very rich person business visionary who actually for the most part is a blunt ally of Doge in an unobtrusive manner. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the especially kind of renowned moon image, suggesting that Dogelon will encounter a monstrous vertical development, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Past its decently commonly facetious name, Dogelon Mars generally has sort of figured out how to, for the most part in a real sense, fabricate a critical local area with genuinely in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and reasonably kind of in excess of 84,000 devotees on message in an unobtrusive manner in a genuinely large way. Who especially fundamentally are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, for the most part truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Very much like in every practical sense is the situation for its certainly kind of additional conspicuous and in every way that really matters, more settled cousins, the pioneers behind this truly specific canine coin especially are obscure. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. That actually fundamentally is an all-around all things considered, in every way that really matters, normal event for image coins. And financial backers truly sort of are very much encouraged, certainly because of pretty reasonable level of effort with mostly secret coins, to try not to succumb to vindictive practices like mat pulls and leave tricks. So, Elon generally has been available for pretty a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, exhibiting that the value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin certainly for the most part is remaining at $0.00000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, in a significant manner and in every practical sense, large way. What truly makes Dogelon Mars reasonably essentially novel in an unpretentious manner, which is very huge. Dogelon Mars explicitly sort of purposes a diverting especially essentially comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin in a kind of significant manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his in every practical sense, in a real sense goes through the stars. Certainly a few fundamentally short comics essentially are distributed on the coin's site that in a real sense follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he generally in a real sense meets companions and goes on experiences, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars doesn't sort of truly have a guide essentially, yet rather fostered a dream form through its comics, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious manner. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will explicitly need to battle for decently very endurance against the Annihilators. Which basically shows that Dogelon Mars execution, the sort of genuinely day-to-day outline of